Hi, in this video we'll see how to use the minimum, maximum and average functions in Excel. We have a table containing 6 shops and their sales figures for last 6 months. In column I, we want to have the minimum value of sales from our period. So, we're gonna write equal min, press tab and select our range, then close the brackets and hit enter. As you can see, we have 12 from November 2019. So, copy the formula till the last shop. Now, we want to have also the maximum value. For this, we're gonna write equal max, open the brackets, select our range, close the brackets and hit enter. Now copy the formula and we have also the maximum value for each shop from our sales. The average function will bring us the value of sales in terms of monthly average. So equal average, press tab, select the same range and will bring us 20. Copy the formula and these are the values for our average. Now, to be more readable and easy to find, in case we have many columns, I will show you how to color the minimum value and the maximum value. For this, we will select our range. For shop number 1, go to Home tab, top right, click Conditional Formatting, New Row, and on the third we have only top or bottom ranked values. First one, we have top and we put 1 because we want only one value. On the format, we go to Fill and select green because it's the maximum value. We click OK and now we have a green cell with the maximum value. We will do the same for the minimum value. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Row, top or bottom ranked values. Instead of top, we select bottom, put 1, go to Format, select the red color, OK, OK, and now we have also the minimum value in the red color. I will copy the format for each shop, so now it's more easy to see the values from our ranges.